Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add up next calendar widgets to the iPhone's home screen. So what you need to do is first select the home screen you want to add. For example, I want to add my widget here in this part of the screen. So what you need to do is just tap on an empty space like that, tap and hold. As you can see, this animation will pop up. From here you just need to tap the plus icon, and after that you need to scroll down. Sorry, after that you just need to scroll down, down, and from here you just need to select the calendars. As you can see, after selecting the calendars, there will be different type of widgets. So these are the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 widgets, from which there are three widgets are up next calendar widgets. So if you want to choose this, you can choose, or if you want to choose this, you can choose this, but I will choose this calendar widget. So after selecting this, just tap here once, or you just tap the add widget. As you can see, the widget is now on my home screen. So you can switch this to your next screen, or you can place this here as well. So after that, just press the done button.